Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents corn tikki. One cup boiled or frozen sweet corn's kernels. Keeping 2 tablespoons kernels aside. Now take the mixer jar. Put sweet corns in it. Churn them in the mixer until coarsely crushed. In a mixing bowl, add 2 large boiled potatoes. Mash them very well. Add crushed sweet corns. ¼ cup rice flour. 2 tablespoons cornflour or 1 bread slice crumbs. 1 small onion chopped. 2 chopped green chilies or as per your taste. Add some pomegranate or raisins. Add 2 tablespoons sweet corns that we've kept aside. ½ cup grated mozzarella cheese. 1 sliced capsicum chopped. ½ teaspoon chili flakes. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. ½ teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. ½ teaspoon oregano. ½ teaspoon amchur and rock salt. Instead you can use chaat masala. Handful of fresh coriander leaves. Squeeze ½ lemon. Simply combine all the ingredients well. Combined well. It's time to make tikkis. Grease your palm with oil. Take some portion of mixture. Flatten it with your fingers. Stuff some cheese. Seal the edges as shown. Shape into cutlet. First cutlet is done. Remove in a dish. Take some amount of mixture. Flatten it. Put mozzarella cheese. Make tikkis as shown. Flatten it. You can also add some green chutney here and then put cheese. Make cutlet as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. Now it's time to fry the tikkis. Take a non-stick pan, grease pan with little oil. It's very important to heat the oil and then place the tikki. Otherwise you will not get these crispy tikki. Place tikkis on hot tawa. Drizzle some oil on top and sides of the cutlets. Cook on medium flame till both sides are nicely brown. Flip the sides. Handle with care, they are fragile. Cheese oozing out. Press it gently. Cook from another side. Other side has been crispy as well. All tikkis has been nice and crispy. Serve it hot. Dish out. Serve it with ketchup. Do try this crispy cheesy sweet corn tikkis recipe and share your experience in the comment section. Let me show you another one. Do try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.